Are you looking for an alternative asset investment opportunity that supports Australian small to medium businesses? Brunswick Invoice Finance has been around for 26 years. We're based here in Adelaide and we do exactly that. We support small to medium Australian businesses right across the country, and we do that through invoice financing. So what that looks like is we raise money from sophisticated or wholesale investors, and then we lend that out through invoice financing or debtor financing terms to the small to medium Australian businesses. It is a high risk opportunity, and so you do need to be a sophisticated investor in order to be able to invest with us, because you need to be able to understand the risks involved in investing with a debtor financing company. Now, we have delivered consistent returns over those 26 years. So if you're looking for an alternative asset class and you're equipped enough to understand the risks involved in investing with our company, and you would like to free up some monthly cash flow, we do pay monthly interest. So if that is an investment opportunity that you would like to know more about, please get in contact with Brunswick today. Brunswick Invoice Finance is an invoice finance company. We do accounts receivable funding or debtor financing for the old terminology. We've been around for 26 years and we're based in Adelaide, South Australia. We have a national customer base and we're looking to expand that. We're run by a board of directors of 4 directors and we've got a management team in Adelaide. Your investment with Brunswick looks exactly like this. You invest a debenture with us, an amount of money starting at $50,000 for a term of 2 to 4 years. We provide you with a monthly interest on that money. So if you're looking for a cash flow solution that provides you with a little bit of top-up income each month, then this might be a solution worth you considering. We can only market to sophisticated investors because you need to understand the risks in doing so. However, it does provide you with the monthly returns, guaranteed returns over that time. So what does the security on your investment look like? Brunswick has what's called a Pari Passu agreement set up with its investors. And when you become an investor, you or your company opt into that agreement. And that means that you're ranked equally with all the other investors. So there's no historical investors getting paid more money than you in the event of default. We give you a general security deed over our company to be able to support that as well. Our target market for our business customers, we tend to look at businesses that have 1 to 10 employees, a turnover of 1 to 10 million, sometimes 20 or 30 million, depending on their cash flow requirements. Generally, we lend 500 grand or less to these specific businesses over the longevity of their lifespan to support their cash flow and their exponential growth stages. So today's economy is really suffering here in Australia. And that's putting a lot of pressure on all of our businesses, from the top end of town right down to our small one-man bands. We're finding that the larger businesses are tightening their reins on their own cash flow. So they're extending their accounts payable terms, which is putting a lot of pressure on our small to medium businesses, meaning that their accounts receivable is actually blowing out, sometimes by 30 or 45 days. And that is a lot of cash for a small business to find. Here at Brunswick, we have the solution to that challenge.